Subscribe now, or Norslander will come.
What's up, people? It's me, Narokris, and today we are doing a video, Cook with Narokris. Exactly. So, what we're gonna do? Well, we are going to cook soup. Yeah, we can cook soup. And it's, of course, what do you think, what soup is it? Of course, you see it from the title. Pumpkin soup. Of course, it's pumpkin soup. Well, it's Halloween and I was thinking maybe I should make pumpkin soup. I'm not so good at making videos about cooking. I'm not so sure how to make them possible, but, well, today you're gonna see what am I doing. So, let's hope it's good enough and you like it. So, let's do this and yeah, let's get into it. Very well. Very well, very well, very well. So first of all, you need to peel the pumpkin. That's right. Now, you need to chop the pumpkin. Then you need to chop the potatoes, and then you need to chop, of course, the onion. And, well, now you see, everything is ready for to make them together. So, turn on the stove and put water to boil. Then put in the potatoes. Easy. And then pumpkin. And of course, then put in the onion and, well, you need to add some water. Some water, some good water. And of course, mix it up a little bit. Well, yeah, and that's all. Now add the stock and well, let it boil. Let it boil until everything is soft. And then, of course, if it's ready and soft, add some pepper, add some salt, and then mixer them. I mean, actually, make a puree of them. That's right. Now then, add the spreadable cheese and of course now mix it together and it's ready after it's mixed. And then you can serve it for people to eat it very easily, and that's all you need to do. Enjoy your soup. I hope this video was helpful for you to now to know how to cook pumpkin soup. That's right. Woohoo! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. It was short and sweet. I hope you can now cook pumpkin soup. That's right. It's easy, isn't it? Well, thank you for watching and stay funky.